Hi, welcome to the billing lesson. My name is Sanjay Narvekar. I'm a product manager in the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Field Enablement team, and I'll be walking you through this lesson today. Here are the list of topics that we'll be covering in today's lesson. We'll be looking at the Oracle Cloud Console, and once you log in, you'll be seeing how the dashboard looks like and how the dashboard can be customized. You'll also look at how you can view the cloud credits utilization, look at billing metrics, and also be able to create alerts based on the resource utilization. Let's get started. So in this page, you're looking at a user logging in into Oracle Cloud with their username and password. Once they specify the username and the password, they're going to click on sign in and log in into the console. Please note that the user ID will usually be the administrator's email address or the user's email address. Once the user log in, they'll be presented with this dashboard, and on this dashboard there are several bits of information that they can see, starting with guided journey and links to create instances. This is something that you can click on to deploy a service pretty fast. You can also click on account management, and this is where administrators can create users and manage users. Or you can click on customize dashboard to specify which services are visible on the dashboard. Now let's go ahead and click on the customize dashboard link. Once this link is clicked upon, it presents the user with a list of services that is visible to the user, as well as services that are currently hidden, which can be shown on the dashboard. In this case, you're looking at the Container Classic and the mobile service. You can see that over here you can click on hide to hide the services in the dashboard, or you can click on show to show the services in the dashboard. So over here, the mobile service is visible in the dashboard along with the Container Classic service. Let's now look at some cloud utilization numbers. So on the dashboard, you can see that the cloud utilization for the month is visible on the page. And also right next to it, you can see the total cloud credits that the customer has purchased, as well as the balance remaining. Now let's dive deeper into the usage. So for a given period of March to April 2018, you can see the usage charge of $13,855 and 96 cents. And there is also an overage charge of $1341.76. And you can also see the credit balance from the total balance of the subscription. You can also see in the summary section the details of the various services that the customer has subscribed to, along with the breakdown of the usage and overage charges. You can drill down into one of these sections. In this case, we have drilled down into the compute section, and you can see a breakdown of the charges along with the overages for the compute services that is being utilized by the customer. So in this slide, you're seeing the utilization breakdown for the database and the Exadata services. And then you can also look at the usage information on this page. So in this section, you're seeing that the period for the utilization information has been selected to be February 1st to March 31st, 2018. Customers can also look at information based on tags. One thing to note about the usage summary is there is usually a lag of about 2 hours from the time the resource was created to have its summary available. So over here, you're looking at tags being used for filtering the usage information. This is pretty useful when you have tags for each of the services that are being consumed in OCI. Customers can also specify the compartment ID and get the utilization information for the specific compartments. So within the dashboard, you can also do account management. Over here, you're looking at the account information for a specific order. And drilling down, you can look at the available services for that particular order, as well as the buyer contact information. As a customer logging in into Oracle Cloud Console for the first time, if you have not already activated an account or an order, you have this option available in the activate page. So you'll have to select on a particular order ID, then click on Cloud Services Account Setup to get started with the account activation process. In the next page, you will provide the account information as well as contact information for the account administrator, and you can then activate the account by clicking on the Activate Account button. Services within your Oracle Cloud account are protected by a discrete set of access credentials. The My Admin Accounts page gives you quick access to view admin login credentials, manage passwords, and access your service consoles for all your Oracle Cloud admin accounts in one place. Let us now learn how you can look at billing at metrics summary for block volumes, outbound data transfer, object storage utilization, and object storage requests in the compute service. So to start this off, you click on the plus icon in the compute section. This will expand the section and you'll be able to view the current metrics information already visible. As you can see here, Right now you can see block volumes and outbound data metrics. Click on the gear icon to add additional metrics. So when you do that, you are presented with a pop-up screen. Over here, you'll see that a couple of the metrics is already selected. You can then select object storage and object storage requests to add these additional two metrics so that it's visible for the compute service on the dashboard. Once you select them, you click on done, and you'll see that these additional information is now visible against the compute service in the dashboard. Let us now look at the billing metrics page. Click on the hamburger icon and then click on view details. Once you are here, click on billing metrics, and in the resource summary section, click on block volumes, object storage requests, object storage, and outbound data transfer. You will see individual graphs added for block volumes, object storage requests, object storage, and outbound data transfer. There might be a few seconds lag from the time you click on these graphs. So wait for a few seconds and you'll see this graphs populated with the information. You can also see the detailed usage for the services, and this information can also be exported. You can create rules to limit resource usage and alert administrators when usage exceeds the configured limits. You will do this in the billing alerts page. Now, you would want to do this as a cloud administrator if you want to ensure that developers or a certain project team doesn't exceed a certain number of dollars in a given period. So it's pretty handy, and you can have a control on your um, cloud credits this way. So once you get to the billing alerts page, click on create to create a new rule. Alerts are sent when usage reaches the configured soft or hard limit. In addition, the service will enter into a quota breach slash suspended state when usage reaches the configured hard limit. This typically implies that new instances cannot be created. When there is a quota breach, the service listing on the My Services dashboard would have a message such as one ongoing quota breach. Let's now go ahead and create an alert rule. We'll select the limit type of soft limit and select a value type of absolute and put in $100 for the usage limit and then click done. You'll see that a new rule having a unique ID is created. This concludes today's lesson. In today's lesson, you learned how to log in into the cloud console. You also learned how to view and customize the dashboard, as well as view cloud credits utilization, and we then went into looking at the billing metrics, uh, drawing graphs, and exporting usage summary information, and also creating alerts for your utilization. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Thank you and have a great day.